Hi, for today's teardown, it is an accessory to my Indian-made Bell military radio, which is already available as a teardown in my channel. I will link it in the video description. So I did find it in storage and I did receive it at the same time, I remember. So it is some kind of a remote control box. We have a radio connector going to the radio, audio for the headset and handset, volume, call button, main function switch off, set and IC, no clue what it is, intercom maybe, and two wires to connect a land line, dual copper line as a remote, providing a remote signal or something like this, wired instead of wireless apparently. So very nice olive green box. Here is the information for you, the Bell logo, local control unit, model number, serial number 1209, and caution, set sail not to be removed from its cabinet. And it is what I will be doing immediately. So that's the first course to undo and I will be right back. Okay, here we are. First the cover. This part seems to be an add-on, welded, yes, spot welded onto the cover part itself. I saw these angles for reinforcement, so very well made. Captive screws you cannot lose. And here is what we have inside. In fact, Carl's cage with two connectors, screws securing the cards, and just the stuff attached at the back of the device. So, the back of the faceplate. And you can see they did include little pullers to allow you to remove easily the circuit boards. So let's undo. If you wonder, all the screws in this thing are metric. So, as a reminder, it is made in India, more exactly I believe in Bangalore. So I should now be able to pull them. Yes, so first on this back panel, all the parts seem to be very American made, in fact. Not only, so this switch here is written Freeport, Illinois. Yes, micro switch Freeport, Illinois, so for sure it is US made. This seems to be US made also. Wafer switch, I am not sure, but here we have some kind of little coil or relay which is written Siemens. So this is Raman made. About the two circuit boards, we have this first one with EV conformal coating, very old school parts as you can see. Nice shaded military grade capacitors, and a few transistors with a Bell brand BC177, but made by Bell. And here a very cheap old school square ceramic capacitor like you may find in old radios. Other side, nothing special. Not sure if it is hand soldered or wave soldered. Not easy to tell because they did obviously clean any flux residues and they did but very shiny conformal coating. The second board in it, bigger capacitor. There is no brand of the capacitors. Bell transistor here, and shielded military grade relay. It seems we have no brand also, quite weird, on little transformer. Or just an adapter, in fact, yes, we just have two contacts in it. Interesting, some test points. So it just allows to control locally some functions of a radio which is installed remotely. It seems I have no clue of what they mean by remote as a distance. Is it 2 meters, 5 meters, and 100 meters or more? I do not know. And also if you are supposed to connect your main radio here or here. And of course there is no user manual available. Okay, so an interesting little military grade electronics item of exotic manufacture. So, thanks for watching. Do not forget to check my other videos, my playlist, to subscribe, like and share. And also I have a PayPal button somewhere on my channel. Bye bye.